Today, I'll walk you through how to create a new campaign in Salesforce, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your campaign so you can effectively manage your marketing efforts. First, let's start by logging into Salesforce. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your credentials and click the Login button. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Salesforce often updates its interface, but the core functionalities remain the same. Once you're logged in, look for the App Launcher. This is typically represented by a grid icon in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can access various applications within Salesforce. Next, you'll want to select Campaigns from the list. This will take you to the Campaigns tab, where you can manage all your marketing campaigns. Now, on the Campaigns tab, locate the New button in the top right corner of the screen and click it. This will open a new campaign form for you to fill out. Let's move on to filling out the key campaign fields. The first field you'll encounter is the campaign name. Here, give your campaign a descriptive title that clearly indicates its purpose. Think of it as naming a project. It should be straightforward and informative. Next, you'll see an option for active. If you want your campaign to go live immediately, make sure to check this box. This is similar to flipping a switch to turn on your campaign. If your campaign is part of a larger initiative, you can link it to a parent campaign. This step is optional but can help you set up a campaign hierarchy, making it easier to manage related campaigns. Now, let's define the campaign duration by filling out the start date and end date. This is crucial for tracking the timeline of your campaign and ensuring that it aligns with your marketing strategy. You'll also want to enter figures for expected revenue and budgeted cost. These fields are essential for enabling ROI and financial tracking, helping you to measure the success of your campaign effectively. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click the Save button. This will save your new campaign, and you'll be redirected to the campaign's overview page. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new campaign in Salesforce. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps as you become more familiar with the platform. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.